Hello, mathematicians, and welcome. Would you please take out your math worksheet that looks like this? There are 8 boxes or 8 rectangles with 2 subtraction problems in each box. You see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Each box, we are going to be finding the difference in 2 math equations. So we're going to look, we see 1, 2, we see a subtraction symbol, means we need to subtract. So finding that answer, and then we are going to compare these 2 answers. We are going to figure out which one. The directions say compare the differences of the subtraction problems in each box. Circle the difference that is smaller. We are also going to circle the difference that is larger, as well as circling them both if they are the same. So some of our rectangles, we're going to find equations that are larger, and some are going to be smaller. And then some, when you look at them, will be the same number. So you're going to circle them both. This is where our blue and orange are going to come in today. We are going to circle the smaller difference, the smaller answer that we find in our subtraction problem with orange. We are going to circle the larger or the greater number, difference, numeral, that we find with blue. So let's start with the first one and we'll work together on this. I am going to get my hand tool ready because I think it will be easier to see the problem with my pennies and the hands. So I'm going to get that set up here in just a second, and I'll see you then. Okay, so I got my tool, my hand tool ready. I have, you have, we have. And then I have my worksheet ready to go. I have my orange and blue. Remembering orange, we're going to be circling the number that is the least or the smallest number. And then blue is the one that we are going to be using to circle the largest or the greatest number. And we're comparing the 2 in each box. Okay, I'm gonna get my counters out and ready to go. Got my pennies. Scoot this over a little bit. Okay, have my pennies ready. And remembering, our first number is the number that you put in the I have hand. And then the second number is the number you put in the you have hand. Okay, looking at our first math equation or number sentence, we see, let's say it together. 10 minus 5 equals. Okay, so first we need to put our 10 pennies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have my 10 pennies in my hand, and then you are going to be taking away 5 from my hand. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pennies do I have left in my hand? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So with my black marker, I'm going to be writing the numeral 5. 5. Okay. Have that ready. And now we need to do the next one before we can circle with our blue and orange. So our next one says 4 minus 2 equals, okay, So clearing off my board. This. Okay. So, oh, my finger keeps going. That's what it is. So 4, I have 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you are going to take away 2 pennies from me. So I'm going to give you 1, 2. How many do I have left? Let's count together. 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Double checking. So our difference, the answer that we found, is 4 minus 2 equals 2. And I forgot, we need to get out our purple and outline some, or trace some math symbols. Minus 10 minus 5 equals 5. And then 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, so now looking at our 2 answers, the 2 differences that we found, which one is greater? Which one is the bigger number or the greatest number? Would you show me with your fingers what number is the greater number? Right, this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So circling with our blue, we are going to circle the greater number. And so that means which one is the least amount or the smallest number? Right, 2. We're going to circle that with orange. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Looking at our next problem, we see our next math equation. We see 10 minus, oh, purple. 10 minus, what's the next numeral? 9 equals, let's figure it out. I'm gonna need 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My 10 frame. Okay, so 10 minus 9. So you're gonna take away 9 from me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have left? 1, right. So we're going to write the numeral 1. Okay, next one. 8 minus 2, purple. 8 minus 2 equals, okay, put these over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have my 8, and then you are going to take away 2. 1, 2, 8. We had 8 together, and then you took away, or I had 8 together, and then you took away 2, and we have, I have how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Okay, now we need to compare those 2 differences that we found. Which one is the greater number? Will you show me with your fingers? Which one is the greater number, the biggest number? Right, 6. I only have 5 fingers because my hand's holding the camera, but I'll do 5 plus 1 6. Blue, circle, and that means which one is our least? Orange, right. 1 orange, you got it. Okay, the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles are yours to do. You can use your, if you made a hand tool, you can use that, or if you would like to just use the corners of a piece of paper, that's fine too. If counters work for you, that is great. Okay, everyone, nice work. Bye. Well, I'll see you in a second for our next worksheet. Okay, our second worksheet that we are going to be working on today looks like this. It looks very similar to the one you did yesterday with Mr. Gallagher. Seeing there, it says, determine which choices or choice answer the question. So we need to look here. We see there is an example at the top, and then there is the numbers 1 through 8. So we're looking at the 3 math equations or the number sentences that are provided. See A, B, C, A, B, C, 3. And then we are going to determine or figure out which one equals the number that is given in the sentence. So we see here it says, which choice or choices best shows 5? Looking at our first equation, we see, what's the first number? 3 plus 2, right? 3 plus 2. Let's do that with our fingers. Showing me 3 fingers plus 2 fingers. Does that equal 5? Right. So we would circle the first one because it equals 5. So taking your pencil or your marker and circling A because that equals 5. But wait, we're not done. Looking at B, we finished A. B says 1 plus 4. Right, let's use our fingers. 1 plus 4. What does that equal? 5 too. We get to circle the 5 or the B because 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 1 plus 4 equals 5. Those both equal the number 5. Okay, looking at the next letter, A, B, C, we have 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Before we had 3 plus 2, that equaled 5, right? And if we switch them around, it still equals the same number. 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 both equals 5. That means that we can circle all 3 because they all equal the sum for each of these 3 math sentences or math equations or number sentences is 5. Okay, so we finished our example. Let's look down at number 1. It says, which choice or choices best shows, what's that numeral? 7, right. Okay, let's look at A. We see first number, our first numeral, 2 plus 5, right. Okay, let's do it. We're trying to see if the sum is 7. So 2 plus 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remembering, mathematicians always check their work twice. We saw both times that 2 plus 5 equals 7. So we get to circle A. Okay, let's look at the next one. It says 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 equal 7. Let's find out. 6 plus one more. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double checking. 7 both times. We get to circle that one too. Okay, last one. C, it says, what's the first numeral? 5 plus 2. Let's find out if the sum is equal to 7. 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right there. 7, right. 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double checking. I got 7 both times. Did you also get 7 both times? Right, we just circle this, all 3 of these ones too. Okay, I'm just doing the first 2 with you, and then you are going to finish this. If you like to pause the video or move to finish, go for it. And that is everything for this one. So just going through and making sure to be careful and looking. You can use your fingers or use your counters if you would like. And looking to circle the numbers, you can see which choice or choices best shows 9. That says it over and over again. You're looking at those numbers at the end. That is the sum that you're seeing if these equations, these math equations, equal that sum. Okay, good luck and nice work, everyone. Bye.